Hello, me, Cookie Monster, here today to talk to you about how important it is to eat healthy foods. Yeah, now me know what you thinking. This guy gonna talk about eating healthy? This guy who eat cookies like they going out of style? Well, you know, me not exactly healthy eating role model, but me learning. Yeah, and me found out that even though cookies okay as special treat, sometimes there are all kinds of healthy foods that you can eat anytime, like these colorful fruits and vegetables. Num num. Oh boy, they look so delicious. Oh yeah, and these kind of foods make you healthy and strong, and because they so good for you, you can have them anytime. And you know what? This seemed like good time to me. Come to Papa. Oh, apple. Oh,